you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 AM and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
You started?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hey guys, it's girl Jules here, and we are in Cali, and this is probably gonna be a house tour. So we're just gonna start. Don't mind the yellow lighting. I really don't like the yellow lighting. White lighting all day. But we're gonna go down here. And basically this is the garage. We're not gonna go to the garage right now because I closed it. It's literally 6 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
It's around 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. And we're a little bit jet lagged and a little bit ahead of time because, you know, time differences. So we're gonna go up. First thing you see is basically a empty closet. Yeah, it's an empty closet. We can put our coats in there, but we don't need coats because it's Cali. Then we have this lovely little powder room, toilet, bedroom shit. I love the countertops. I love this color and the full length mirror. Yes. This is where you exit, and then when you go through here is the garage where you get a car and laundry. This is the living room. Literally, we got a fireplace, a big screen TV, our little dining area, and this is our kitchen. Right here's our little patio.
Okay.
So this is the
6th floor.
3rd floor. Stop singing. And this area is like a little common area. Has a little painting. And let's go to this one first. I like the doors because it looks like a corridor. And this is the bed area.
My room.
Has a TV, big screen TV, and over here,
Walk-in closet.
a walk-in closet. The light don't work. No.
Great job. Great job.
But I kind of like the walk-in closet. Now, the best part of the house is...
Ow! I also went on the bed.
is the bathroom. This bathroom, I love this bathtub because of the jets.
Wait, what is?
Those are jets.
So the water come out of?
Yes, Andrew, they're jets.
Yeah, I'm about to use it tomorrow.
And we got the walk-in shower. I like this backsplash right here. I love this backsplash. And big mirrors. Good mirrors. Love the lighting. Except there's some yellow ones, but I like the white lightings that I see. Gucci. And what else? Oh, and that's built that I believe is a master bedroom.
I mean, okay.
Master bedroom, which is fine. We have the long mirrors because, you know, I gotta take my selfies for Instagram. Long mirror. And here is the master bathroom with him and his sink, a jet jumbo shower.
You got the latest one.
Yup. And it has a seat with different jets inside, a mirror, and two little head showers. And right here is the
I about to say, what? How you gonna take a shit?
So,
yeah.
I love this counter. I love marble countertops. They're really nice. On a medicine cabinet. And
what's up, guys?
There's a lot of lighting here. I love this. Oh, I love this little countertop.
Hey, too blurry.
Yes. I like this.
Oh, look at the shelf. I think I see it, like that little shelf.
It's in all the rooms.
Oh, alright.
So yeah, this is it. this is the townhouse Airbnb we'll be staying in.
Yeah.
And we'll just go downstairs. Back. Because we're hungry. We're starving.
Yes, we are.
I'm not telling y'all to leave, but y'all gotta get the fuck out of here.